What's up guys, welcome to a short. Due to popular demand, I'm going to be doing this little mini video where I'm going to refill my car with wiper fluid. It is currently 8 o'clock at night. A lot of people actually requested this, so tutorial time. So if you've never done this before, you basically have to reach into the trunk. Oh no, we have the wrong one. You see that? That says printemps. This stuff is actually frozen. I can feel ice particles in this. So the fact that this is frozen just at this low temperature is not good. You do not want to put this in your engine. And also it's poison, so do not drink this either. I'm not sure if we have any underneath the seats here. Doesn't look like it. Okay, the seat isn't lifting up. So first, if you want to get this seat up, you have to put this seat forward and then look underneath this one. And there's nothing there, so I'm probably gonna edit this part out. Anyway, we'll worry about that later. Oh, I have a spare tire? Damn! I didn't even know I had one of those. But that's not what you want to look for. I'll do a different tutorial for that someday. For now, we need to get the brush. Okay, so now that you have the brush, you basically just have to brush off the hood. Just do what I'm doing right here. If you've never done this before, it's pretty simple. You just have to like wipe off the snow. You don't have to get all of the snow off, but most of it is pretty good. So yeah. All right, good news guys. We do have some of the actual fluid that we need in the trunk of this car. Okay, this is the stuff right here. You can tell it's purple. It's good, -45. Not sure what that means, but it looks important. You're not gonna wanna grab these empty bottles. So we're gonna go with this one. I wasn't gonna show you guys this part, but basically you have to reach for this thing to open up the hood, pull on it, and it opens up. Now if we go around, we'll see that it's unclipped, and then open it a bit. Then there's like a hook here or something. You have to like do something. I forgot how to do this. All right guys, I ended up getting it. You just have to press down on this thing, and then it unhooks the mechanism, and then you get a look at your engine. Okay. Next step. Okay. I found it, guys. So this is the cap that you want, because you can see there's like a faint wiper fluid symbol on there. This is the one you want. You don't want to put it in here, I'm pretty sure. I don't know what this thing is, but you do not want to put it in there, probably. You don't want to put it on the battery either. Probably, you don't want to put it anywhere else other than in this blue cap. It'll probably be blue, can't guarantee, but look for the wiper fluid symbol. By the way, guys, I am not a certified mechanic, but you can trust me. Let's go. I have the fluid, so I'm gonna open this. You want to open this just by pulling on this part. You can tell it's the pull part because of the lines. There we go. Okay, so now let's see if I can do this with one hand. Make sure to like this video. Fuck, I care. Oh, piece of plastic fell. Oh, there it is. I wouldn't want to litter right now. Okay, so the cap is off. I'm gonna put it down there. You can put it wherever you want, but I put it there because I chose to. I'm doing this with one hand. It'll probably be fine. Oh no, okay. Oh, it spilled. Make sure not to do that. Do as little of that as possible. Oh wait, okay. Actually guys, real tip, I think I saw a video where someone was pouring it in from the side and it worked better, so I'm gonna try that. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys, this might work. Oh Jesus, oh my god. Okay, it's working. Guys, are you seeing this right now? Make sure to take notes. This is important. The way I'm doing this, it has to be done this exact way. You see this? It's on its side right now. It's pouring in. Oh, yeah, it's fine. We're gonna pour a little bit more in just to be sure, because I don't want to run out like midway through on the road. Oh my. Okay. Is that enough? There's some French. Oh no. Oh god. Oh no. Okay. Oh god, it's going everywhere, guys. Oh my god, this is stupid. Okay. Oh, a little bit further back. Oh, don't drop it. Oh, fuck. All right, guys, I got the cap back on. I'm done. All right, guys, if you enjoyed that tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more of them. I can't promise that I'll make more of these, but I'd really like to, so make sure to suggest more of these in the future. This was really heavily suggested, might I add, again. So make sure to ask me what you want me to do next. Like the video. Did I already say that? I don't know. See you guys later. Let's go.